Double wall insulation to keep hot drinks hot and cold drinks cold. BPA free. Made in USA. Reduces condensation. Tervis insulated drinkware delivers the ultimate combination of personality and performance for pure drinking enjoyment. Splashproof, shatter-proof and easy close lid. Up to 24 hours ice cold or 8 hours piping hot. Top reviews from the United States. Adorable cup and great for keeping coffee hot. This cup is too cute. I'm a Peanuts fan and just couldn't resist treating myself. Plus these Tervis cups are so great for keeping my coffee completely hot while I'm drinking it. Another plus is you don't have to wait until you finish your coffee or tea to go out. You can just take it with you on the go. Highly recommend.